Fresh from your local greengrocer, Sydney Markets proudly presents our Cook With Us program.
Hi, I'm Steve. Alright, let's get into it. Cherries are the taste of summer, but as the season comes to an end, here is a great way to serve them up. This is a popular festive dish as well. So here are the ingredients. From your local greengrocer, we have red cherries, red onion, red apple, fresh ginger. We also have raw sugar, cinnamon, sea salt flakes, extra virgin olive oil, and red wine vinegar. This recipe makes 2 cups, around about 500 mils. Preparation time, you'll need 25 minutes and 43 minutes on your cooking time. You can serve the cherry relish with sliced turkey, ham or cooked prawns. So combine onion with the oil, ginger and cinnamon in a large microwave safe bowl. Combine the ingredients, then into the microwave on high for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, bring our bowl to your bench, add your cherries, then add your apples and stir. Then back into the microwave for 5 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a bit of a stir. Cook it for a further 2 minutes, then stir again, and then it only leaves 1 more minute after that. Then we add a pinch of salt, all the sugar, and the red wine vinegar. Stir to combine, then back in the microwave for 35 minutes, stirring every 10. So why not top off the Christmas turkey with some delicious cherry relish? If you'd like to store your relish, ladle it into a hot sterilised 2 cups, around about 500 ml jar and seal. Once open, store in the fridge and use within 1 month. You were thinking about relish? This is relish.
Thank you to all our sponsors. I hope you have enjoyed cooking with your local greengrocer. All our recipe ingredients can be found on the Your Local Greengrocer website, yourlocalgreengrocer.com.au. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. We'll be doing lots of fun things that tie to our recipes. Lastly, we welcome your feedback. Please feel free to leave us a message from the contact page on yourlocalgreengrocer.com.au.